this video we will do the question replacement with sum. So basically in this question we are given an array nums and we have to replace each element in num with the sum of its digit. For example, we have 10, so we have to replace it with sum of its digit, that is 1 plus 0, and we have to do it with all elements and return the minimum elements after the replacement. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just uh, so what we have to do, we are given an array. Let's say we have given 10. Let's take this example, 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 10, 12, 13 and 14. So what we have to do, I hope you get, we have to take sum of each digit, each number with its number of digits. For example, the sum of its will be 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay, its sum will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, and its sum will be 1 plus 3, that is 4. 3, and its sum will be 1 plus 4, that is 5. At the end we have to return the minimum sum, that is 1 in our this exam. So first let's see how we can find the sum of digits, okay, in code. So for this, what we can do, we can take help of mod and divide operators. So let's say we can have n number of digits. Let's say we have 2, 3, 6. Okay, and its sum should be 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is 11. Okay, how to code it? So firstly we will find the last element. Okay, but how we can do it? By mod it by 10. So if we mod this by 10, we will get the last element, that is 6. Okay, so we got 6 by mod 10. Now after taking the last element 6, now we will divide our number by 10. This was mod. Mod gives you remainder. Now we will divide it by 10. So we will get the number removing the last number, 23. Okay, as we have added 6, we don't want 6, so we will divide it by 10 and we will get 23 removing the last element. Okay, now we will again do mod of 23. What will we get? Let me change the color. So mod of 23, what we will get? Mod, and we will do mod by 10. Okay, mod of 23 will be last element, that is 3. So we will add the element we get, that is 3. Now we don't want 3, we will divide it by 10. So after dividing 23 by 10, we will get 23 by 10, we will get 2, removing the last element. Okay, now what we will do, we will, let me change the color. Now we get 2, we will just mod 2 by 10, we will get the last digit, that is 2 itself, 2. So we will add 2 in our sum. Now we have done with 2, we will just divide it by 10, and if we do divide by 10, we will end up removing last element, that is 2, and we will get 0. So then by the time we get 0, we will stop and we will find the total sum, that is 11. This is what we have to find. So that's how I can sum my things. Okay, now after summing, I can find sum of all the numbers by this algorithm, and after summing I can find the minimum also. How? See, I will find sum of this, that is 1. Okay, and I will store it. Let me erase this. Now we will store a minimum element. So at the beginning our minimum element will have the largest number. Okay, int max. So largest number or this sum, which one is smaller, we will check. This is smaller, so so we will find the minimum of the previously stored minimum number. Okay, that is maximum number in the beginning. Okay, and our current sum. So at the beginning maximum number is small or current sum, so we will store current sum. Let me erase this also. Okay, now current sum is smaller. Then we will find sum of 3. Is 3 smaller than 1? 3 is smaller, or current sum 1 is smaller. 3 1, so we will store 1. Then we will check 4 is smaller or 1 is smaller. 1. 5 is smaller or 1 is smaller. 1. So at the end we will return 1. This is the code of this question in C++. What we are doing here is, let me zoom so that you see it clearly. At first, let me zoom out. Yes. At first I am finding a create sum function and I am finding sum. See what I explained. Until n is not equals to 0, it means our number is not empty. We will add the last number by modding 10 to the sum and then removing the last number, and then again we will adding the last number, then removing the last number until n is not equals to 0, and this is how I will get sum of the digits. So this is my main function. Here I will initializing my minimum number at the as maximum number, and now I am iterating through my array, that is this array. Okay, so first I will go to 10 10 and I will check either my mini, that is the maximum number, is small, or sum of 10, that is I am calling sum function here to find the sum of my number 10. Okay, 10 ka sum is 1, so 1 is smaller or maximum number 1. Then I will go to 12, I will find its sum and minimum number until now. That's how I will find the minimum number. I hope you get my code. Thank you for watching.